Hello, this is Vik. In this video, we'll see how we can improve page speed with the help of W3 Total Cache plugin. Here I am going to plugins. I'll install a new plugin, W3 Total Cache. It's a plugin. I'll just install it, and before that, I'll check the page speed of this website using Pingdom tools. And also Google Page Insights. Here I'm entering this URL, start test. It will take a couple of seconds, and also this page speed insights. Here you can see it's a 70 on mobile and 78 on a desktop. Possible optimization, reduce server response time. It's almost taking 1.6 seconds server response time, and caching it's not enabled. All these files are loading. And eliminate render blocking JavaScript CSS files above the fold, and minify CSS, minify JavaScript. We'll see how we can fix this. Here it took almost 7.71 seconds. Performance grade is 71, and we have 31 requests. And in red we have remove query strings, leverage caching, static content from cookieless domain. Okay, we'll see all this. I'll just activate this plugin. Here it is, performance. Go to general settings, page cache enabled and minify enable. Minify enable and minify auto mode, and disk the default works for us. I'm not enabling this off cache. Database cache, jet cache. We don't have a CDN. If we want, we can enable a CDN. You can use any of this. Here I'm not going to use a CDN. Okay, that's it. Page cache and minify. Save settings. I'll go to page cache and minify. I'll check more advanced settings. Cache posts. Okay. HTML minify enable. If you have any pop-ups like exit intent and any other JavaScript functionality, you can disable this JS minify function. And here I am using combine only. Save all settings. If we check, here we have 31 requests. These requests will be reduced. And also I'll go to dashboard. I'll empty this cache. Start test, and here also I'll analyze again. It's improved. Previously it was 70. It's at 84 now. It's up 91. And we should reduce server response time. Previously it was at 1.6, 1.7. Now it's 0.69. And we can optimize the server also. Previously it was at 75 and we are at 89. And previously we have 31 server requests. Now we have only 20 server requests. Remove query strings from static sources. These are all from third-party websites, Gravatar and wp.com. We can optimize, we can go through advanced settings in W3 Total Cache, and we can improve more. And here in Google Page Insights, we can move this CSS. We have minified this into single block. Previously we have multiple files, and we can move this CSS and JS to footer section using some small code snippet that is with the W3 Total Cache. You can move it to footer section, and here also we have minified this file, and still we can minify it. Here it's showing you can reduce the size by 4.2 kilobytes. There we have reduced, but we have two files. Leverage browser caching. This is a header image, and we can improve the caching time for this one. You can improve the caching time. These are all the settings, and we just improved our page speed, and we can just enable these two things, page cache and minify, and you can improve the loading time of your website using this W3 Total Cache plugin.